Priority, priority, priority. Priority.
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all lost over your body like.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss, Nando, and I building. And you know what we have to do already, you know? We have to react to Alkaline's brand new single called Priority. And trust me, viewers and subscribers, after listening to this song for a couple of hours, every time I play about that song, I forget where Alkaline really are saying it for see where am I tapping. I can't know Alkaline go to work already. Alkaline tap into every different style and every different elements of sound and music. And this song Priority by Alkaline is none other than a girl song. And trust me, viewers and subscribers, after listening to this song, the vibes when I get from it, when I look into it, I say, yo, you know, say Alkaline is a different breed of artist. The elements of Alkaline tip it doubling and the sounds with Alkaline doubling, it's none like the other, because you know a lot of people are really used to them type of sounds from Alkaline, and of late let me start realizing Alkaline is tapping into fusion sounds. And remember when him just come into the business, you know, at them type of elements of music them tapping out, but you know back then in the dancehall scene, you know, he would have to really make out him, he would have to really put himself out there and get him name known. Now that Alkaline and the man who him is now today, he might do him own thing, he might make him own type of sound. He's experimenting with sound, tapping into different elements. So this song Priority, after listening to it as myself, viewers and subscribers, trust me, I'm getting the groove of it. It's just a chill, bad girl song. I'm not like it is none like the others. It is a cut above its rest. It's a cut above the rest. It is different from the other girl song from Alkaline. Trust me, this song Priority, nah, it is different. The elements, as I said, the sound, the style, the pattern, everything. You know Alkaline go to work already. He will never sound the same on a track. He always try to do a different style, a different sound, a different, you know. He creates his own wave. He creates his own style. So this is Alkaline, and we are going to jump into it. Priority by Alkaline.
Priority, priority. Priority, priority. Priority, priority. Girl, you a priority.
Now Alkaline jumps into the first part of the song, the intro. The intro is simple. It's not too extra. It's just a calm, simple type of vibe at the intro. And the intro goes like this: priority, priority, priority. It's just simple like that. And then when he jumps into the first parts of the song, the verse, and the man says, active, girl. You know, that type of sound. Active, girl. Every man, I watch over your body like.
Baby, stay good, man. Them all lost over your body like.
That's you. Have a girl I really like back you. Not you. Not yo. Come on. Pull up that again. Pull up that song again. Dog. The vibe, the elements, the sound, the style, it is different. It is not the usual Alkaline. This is just a chill. And you remember, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline has so many songs without visuals, without video, and so much of those songs are great songs. You guys remember Mad Love? When Mad Love came out, everyone was saying that they're not feeling it because of the auto-tune sound, or it sounding auto-tune-ish. And watch the views now. Look at the video of that song, Mad Love. Watch the video and look at the views. 17 million. Plus the audio has over 5 million views. So talk about the style, talk about the pattern. When people said Alkaline fall off, you know, or Alkaline songs them now connect, you know, and because he's not obeying, he's not following the societal standards of way how the artists them do songs. Artists nowadays be a video them do, them don't really do audio no more. But Alkaline knows what he's doing when he does what he does. He drops audio so that the viewers can listen to the lyrics, the message, the type of style, the type of elements that he chooses to tap into musically.
Priority.
No, that song are different.
Priority, priority. Priority, priority. Girl, you a priority.
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them all lost over your body.
Active, baby, stay good, man. Them a lost for your body like Jano. active. You're active, baby. You stay good, man. Them all stuff. What your body like? That's the style I'm talking about. The way how he sings some of these calm songs on these calm rhythm, it makes you wonder. This man is like a Mozart to music. I've been saying this, like a real Mozart, because trust me, listen to what I'm saying. You see certain artists, they are scared to jump out of the box. They are scared to tap into different sound, different elements, different styles. So when you see Alkaline jump into style like these, simple style like this, it is effective. But the majority of people don't really understand it, because nowadays, people really listen to music for the hype. You know? People just listen to certain type of music. But of lately, I realized that Alkaline, how he's doing music totally different from the average artist. He taps into different sound, different elements. Like if you guys check back Is You, remember Is You was a song that everybody was saying, what is this? This is like garbage, because it is not privy to the average ears of people. So when you hear a song like Is You, you say, yo, Jono, that song is not it for me, dog. But over time, you will realize that the song accumulated over 8 million views on YouTube just on audio. Viewers and subscribers, talk to me.
When she walk, you could just ride up, pop out and you capture everybody like.
That's you. Have you been a girl like Nigel? That's true. Oh my God, dog.
Yes, look. You see what you coming like Nigel? That's you. And I kept my nose to the eye.
Oh my God, viewers and subscribers, I don't hear that. Anna Capanora, they mate. Yo, Anna Capanora. Alkaline is a musical genius. Like as myself, viewers and subscribers, when you see every artist I go south, Alkaline decides to go north. When you see the artists them I go west, Alkaline I go east. Alkaline doesn't follow the trend. Alkaline sets his own wave, and off lately that me get for realize with way I do. Like remember when him just come out in him career and him have to do what him have to do to make sure say yo him put him name out there. Now that he's the man who he is today, him a do what him want do. Him a put out the type of music them where stand the test at the time, because all the hype shit where you see out there, all the hype music, it's here today and gone tomorrow, but the real true elements of music stays forever. Like Mad Love, me can't even get over the fact that Mad Love, the audio drop, and it never created much attraction or much traction, and long after like 8 months or 6 months after Mad Love video drop, one man alone me could have seen that on Alkaline. Him alone, Alkaline drop Mad Love video, and the video racked up over 17 million views. That's to show you that music, it's selective to the ears of people, but you know that because of videos of this trend, this era, it's a video era, a lot of people want to see videos, and then over time they really sit down and watch the video and listen to the message the song is saying. Like Jano, it is different with the era we're in now. Music is different, and some may say this is not one of Alkaline's best songs, but trust me, this a song, it has the potential to grow and grow a far away. If this song gets a visual priority, the elements, the style, the pattern where I play out in another song, it is not like the average artist. Like everybody used to that raunchy type of stuff. And do y'all notice Alkaline didn't even curse a bad word into this song, viewers and subscribers?
She not frightened because when she used to the flashlight from money drip.
She not frightened for nothing, cause what she used to are flashy cars and money drip. John, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline has spit some lyrics in the song. It flies over your head. If you not listen to the song because you feel like say yo, the rhythm not kick to you, or the rhythm not give that oomph, the rhythm not hype up, but the music is what you have to listen to. Listen to the music and listen to everything will complement each other into this song. Pull up that part there again. Jano.
She not frightened because when she used to the flashlight from
Money drip.
When I time to the script, no check, that is it. This is a regular bit.
Oh my God, viewers and subscribers, I don't hear Alkaline. I don't hear what Alkaline is saying. I sang viewers and subscribers. I don't listen to the elements and the sound of what Alkaline is saying in that song. Me hear some man run out and say Alkaline has struggle for find a hit song. But when we get to realize it with people nowadays, they're what they call it now. They for them hit song, for them type of hit song where they might look for. It's the average type of hit song. Listen, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline knows what to give the people them. Alkaline knows what to give the mass, but at the same time, Alkaline I do what him want do. Like he said in his interview, do what you can do then, do what you can do then, do what you have to do till you can do what you want do. Now that Alkaline reach a part in his life now, him just a put out masterpiece, master art. If you love it, you love it. If you don't love it, you don't love it. Not every music is going to be out there for somebody. Music, a certain music you might like and a certain music I might not like. But because I have a ears for music, I have a ears for sound and different style and different element, I know music. So when I listen to Priority couple times, I'm like, bro, this song bad, you know, dog. That song, but there are so many songs that Alkaline have bad. But you know why them not take off some of the time? Because they don't have a visual behind them. Them not have a video. So sometimes you might hear people that say, oh, this not it, that not it. And because them not have a visual, there's so much bad song with Alkaline up. Like even Cutting Table, even so much girl song I should say. Even Cutting Table is a bad song. But because it not have a visuals behind it, you know, take out. But who am I to complain for what Alkaline does? Alkaline I do what I do and it a work for him same way. So a lot of songs he had put out with the other video, but that's just him. A film style, a film way of going about music. Like Pretty Girl Team. Think back to Pretty Girl Team. Pretty Girl Team dropped for how long before Alkaline dropped a video? And Pretty Girl Team, the audio has over 40 odd million streams on YouTube. So that is to show you that when Alkaline do what I do and see say it a work for him nah go change it. So that is just him. Alkaline is going to be Alkaline and people have to accept him for who he want to be. I feel like him not really drop the videos them because him want the video and the audio take off. Him want both things take off. Because, watch this. If him drop a video now, it will take off, you know. If that song get a video now, it will take off, you know, because people want to see the artistry behind the song. They want to see the video. They want to see how the role play, all of those stuff about. So that is just it with why people don't really take on to audio songs no more. But you can't really ball. Alkaline I do film thing and I do film thing normally, naturally. Him not even kill up himself. And of lately, I feel like Alkaline not really in the hype where I go on. While let's say every hype surround this artist, that the artist, the Alkaline not in it. Alkaline just I do film one thing.
Shake and stick, bitch, I sick, pick and pause and sleep and swallow this.
Swallow dick, the style, the elements, the sound, it bad. Viewers and subscribers, listen to that song, Priority by Alkaline. I don't even want to play out the whole song in my vlog because I know YouTube copyright and the strike and all of them stuff there. So I just go and talk over it and make me get where and where me I say and where me I discover in the song. Because the song bad. It's just that it may not be one of them best out there song like it song, because when you hear certain song from Alkaline, you know right off of the bat it's a it song. But this song is just a chill song. It's just a vibe. It's like it might create different waves, different elements, and it might put it out there in our universe for listeners who like it, who not like it, because you have the men's them a complain say this not it or whatever, but the ladies them like it. Leave it up to the ladies them. Girl in my priority, girl in my priority, girl in my priority. The style bad. Girl in my priority. The way how he transitions from the verse to the chorus, it is bad. And enough people not understand music. Enough people don't know music like that. They are used to the average sounding of music. So when they hear something abnormal, something different, they shun it. They them chastise it. But listen to me, viewers and subscribers. Alkaline is before his time. Alkaline choices of music, Alkaline elements that he taps in, it is not of this time. It is more so futuristic, and people now go like it until it's too late. Just like Izu, as myself, viewers and subscribers. Izu took off long after it dropped, you know. It took off months and months and months apart, you know. Alkaline, that song is bad. It may not hit everybody because, as myself, viewers and subscribers, the mass I look for something with a lot of oomph. The mass I look for some sort of hype song. That's what the mass I look for. If him did sing a song but under a girl or ranch, like like we used to back then when him just about the type of raunchy lyrics them, because he's known for that lyrics, but because him transition to a different style now. And listen to my viewers and subscribers, an artist don't have to stuck in the same style, the same way of singing like when them just bust. If certain artists want to do that, them do that, but variety is the spice of life. So when you see Alkaline tap into different style, different sound, every song has different flow, different sound. You must understand that Alkaline is tapping into variations of sound. And to me, this song is, I feel like Alkaline is trying or wants to get the ears of different people out there in the world. Because remember, Is You didn't take off into Jamaica. Is You took off into Trinidad, into other parts of the Caribbean, Trinidad, Antigua, all of those places, you name it. So this is to show you that when Alkaline does music, he don't do the music just for the Jamaican mass of people or the Jamaican ears of people, but different people, different ears out there will have the likes of different sound of music, because a certain music might be privy to dancehall culture, Jamaican culture, but out there in the world, a lot of people might like a different type of sounding of music. That is it. Awesome flick, you make awesome flick, it make you do your own splurt. Bumbo clean. The types of lyrics Alkaline and put out another song at Jano. It is crazy. It is crazy, viewers and subscribers, the way of Alkaline do the music thing. The way him do the music thing, you can't underestimate him. One thing you can't do, underestimate Alkaline. One thing, because he knows how to go to work when it's time to go to work. So listen, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is building a catalog. Many don't understand that. Many people feel like every song an artist drop have to be a hit song. It's not every song where an artist drop I got it. And I can tell you, all these artists know, to build a catalog, you cannot always try to focus on hit song. Because oh, you gonna build it, you can't always put out the perfect song. If you try to always put out the perfect song, it might feel and you might leave yourself disappointed. But listen to me, an artist like an Alkaline, a build a catalog. Right now, I'm in a career where him not even have to kill up himself. That is just my opinion. But who knows, the artist may do, I think, a different way or for do a different thing. But to me, I don't feel like Alkaline a kill up himself no more. Him not hackle up himself. Him just have to feel him own thing as me feel.
Priority for another them a dirt. Perfect shape, sex when you feel great. Big bands, spam bands, no find the way you word. Top man.
Oh my God, viewers and subscribe. The style, you know. Listen, you know. Remember, Alkaline tell you an extra Lexi, you know. Style. The style that we have, all the old boy, the old man, the young girl, the style, the pattern and the style of the young, the old, the one them who try act like them young. Style.
Face up, the girl deserve a bouquet. Right body rough for me and say she don't play. Put together she and slay, girl look like bait.
Jano, viewers and subscribers. I not even want to go too further in another song because you know the copyright infringement and stuff like that. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, that song bad. That song bad. It have a wicked vibe. As I say, I've lately most of Alkaline songs them. It took off, took off right away. It took off over time, because when people really tell themselves, remember, go back, go give that song and listen, and them really listening, that's when they got to love it. And you know, when you get to love a song like that, when you go back, go listen it, you say, shit, John, this me, I miss out, that song you bad, dog. John, that song you have different style, that song you have different element. Me underestimate the song, and just like that, me, myself, underestimate the song after listening for the first time. I say, yo, I now feel it because my ears used to the regular dancehall sound of music. So when I listen this a fresh type of beat, this fresh type of style, I say, Jano dog, Alkaline is mastering the art of music, because the elements, the style we choose for singing our song, it is not like the regular artist. And that me get to understand with way I do with music nowadays. Like, check back his recent songs. The style them, the pattern. People might say this sound lazy, But it's what the rhythm calls for. It's the style that the rhythm calls for. And as I said, many people aren't going to like it because people want the oomph type of music, the type of songs with the oomph in it, with hype, the type of drum beat and them stuff that they might look for. So they might not be fond of this song, but as I said, viewers and subscribers, that song is bad. That song is bad. And if you want to listen it, man. Listen it good. Turn on your speaker, turn on your car radio and listen it. You want to have a good headphone for listen to that song. Yeah. Listen to the instruments, listen to the lyrics, everything, or it complements each other. But as I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, a Vibes and Insight with Nando with another episode, you know, a mad thing. Tell me what you think about this vlog, you know, about my whole POV of this whole song. You see me? A mad thing. Let me know what you think. I'm out. Peace.